Good morning, students. In this class, we will learn a sexual group of organisms. Then, we will learn a sexual group of plants. What we will learn? The two basic things. One is a sexual group of organism, and secondly, a, a sexual group of plants. Okay, let's start. Now, we will learn naming of a sexual group of organism. Okay, so naming of a sexual group of organism have been three types. One is haploid, second is diploid, and third is triploid. So haploid, diploid, and triploid. What is the meaning of these? So we will learn now. So haploid, it is the equality of a cell or organism having a single set of chromosomes. One set of chromosomes has 23 chromosomes. This is called the a haploid set. Now, for example, gametes. Gametes have two types of germ cell. One is male germ cell and second one is female germ cell. You know, this is the example of haploid. Now we see diploid. So containing two complete set of chromosomes, one from each parents. Two sets or 46 chromosomes are called a diploid sets. For example, blood cells, skin cells, and muscle cells. These are the some examples of diploid. Now, triploid. Three sets or 69 chromosomes. Triploid means three sets or 69 chromosomes are called triploid sets. Are called triploid sets. For example, the cultivated banana. In your mind, it will ask that what is the meaning of the cultivated banana? Cultivated banana means it has been cultivated. And next question will be arise, why cultivated banana are triploid? Yes, here the answer is this, that the fertile diploid banana went on to produce triploid plants. When one of the diploid parents normally passed on one copy of its genome, while the author contributed both copies. That is a phenomenon called meiotic restitution. These triploid bananas belong to three genera. What are that? One is AAA, then AAB, then and last one is ABB. Okay, these are most important. Now we see genome. What is the meaning of genome? What is a genome? Okay, an organism's complete set of DNA is called its genome. Virtually every single cell in the body contains a complete copy of the approximately 3 billion DNA base pairs or letters that makes up the human genome. Now we will learn 7 types of asexual reproduction plants. First one is binary fission, second is budding, third one is vegetative propagation, fourth one is spore formation, fifth one is fragmentation, that is also known as dividation. Sixth is parthenogenesis, and seventh one and last one is apomixis. Okay, what is binary fission? Binary fission is a separation of the body into two new body. It is the process an organism duplicates its genetic material or DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and then it divides into two parts, and two parts also known as cytokinesis, with each new organism receiving one copy of DNA. Okay, now we go to budding. Budding means a form of means a new individual develops from some generative anatomical point of the parent organisms. The initial protuberance of proliferating cytoplasm or cells. The bud eventually develops into an organism duplicating the parent. Now we go to vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation, also known as vegetative reproduction and vegetative multiplication or cloning. It's any form of asexual reproduction occurring in plants, in which a new plant grows from a fragment or cutting of the parent plant or a specialized reproductive structure. For example, rose. Rose is the most common of asexual reproduction, and vegetative propagation's best example is rose. Now, sporogenesis or spore formation. Sporogenesis is the production of spores. In biology, dormant spores are formed, for example, by certain fungi and algae, primarily in response to unfavorable growing conditions. Most eukaryotic spores are haploid and form through cell division. Through some type are diploid or dikaryotes and form through cell fusion. Fragmentation or dividation. Fragmentation most generally means the process of fragmenting, that is, breaking into pieces or being divided into parts. It can also refer to the state or result of being broken off or having been divided. The opposite of this sense of fragmentation is defragmentation, the process of bringing the part of the files back together. Okay. Parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis is a natural form of asexual reproduction in which growth and development of embryos occur without fertilization by sperm. In plants, parthenogenesis is a component process of apomixis. Okay. Now we will learn apomixis. Apomixis is asexual reproduction without fertilization in plant with independent gametophytes or notably ferns. Means gametophytes, also known as notably ferns. The term is still used interchangeably with apomixis. and both refer to the formation of saprophytes, means fungi, okay, by parthenogenesis of gametophyte cells, okay. Sorry, it is the last slide, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.